back to my channel. Today I have an updated room tour to show you guys. A lot of you guys have been requesting this like crazy over on Instagram, and it is finally here. I do want to mention that I'm filming this intro at night because the footage from the first intro actually turned out horrible, so we're just not going to use that. And yeah, also I want to mention, if you haven't already subscribed, I would love if you subscribe to my channel. We just reached 400 subscribers and I'm just baffled at the fact that there are 400 people who care and watch my videos, so thank you guys so much. I'm so grateful, but let's not get mushy in this video. So let's not make the intro any longer and let's go ahead and show you the bedroom. So let's go. So this is what you see when you first enter, and this is my bed. Very cute. I'm going to go into super detail about all of this stuff. Then we have the chandelier and the vanity. This is like just the whole concept of the room. I'm definitely proud of it. It took me forever to get this, but yeah, so let's go ahead and start. Moving on to this area, this is the closet door. I will show you a little bit of the closet because I think you guys deserve that since you guys waited so long for this video. So this is the closet, the first side. Super really packed with a bunch of clothes. As you can see, I got a lot of pastels going on, and then we have this little chair thing, but I actually use it to store like antiques and stuff that I don't use to decorate right now. So see, it's a little full. And then I also have some random stuff. I have my purse here, and then this like bow. Let me show you. I just found this the other day. It's like a bow shelf. It was only $2, but I don't have anywhere to put it right now, so we're just gonna leave her in there. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and show you behind my bed. There's like another section of the closet, if you can see, so I'm gonna go ahead and open that. Okay, so up here on the very top shelf, I have some random stuff. As you can see, I have a very cool lamp. Again, I don't have a place for it right now, so it's just chilling up there. The next shelf, I have all my purses. A lot of bags and backpacks are in those two little storage things. My camera lens, just packed away in there. So yeah, this is like the purse section, and then we got another purse dangling from here. Yes. Okay, and then moving down below, we have like a bunch of shoes. So these are actually one of my favorites that I just recently got. And then we have these that I got at Nordstrom. I'm not gonna go into too detail because this video will be so long, but Steve Madden, Journeys, and Steve Madden. And then I have a random pink lampshade because storage purposes. And in this box I have a lot of like vintage Christmas ornaments. Then we got this Breakfast at Tiffany's tin box that I found at Home Goods, which was really wild that I even found it there. And then we have my jeans. So these are my more colored jeans, and then these are just like good old classic jeans. Nothing too interesting. And then the bottom shelf right here, we also have some more of my shoes. These are more like winter shoes, and then miscellaneous kinds of shoes like sandals and sneakers and stuff like that. Alright, the next thing I want to talk about is the little wreath up there. That has been up here since the last room tour, believe it or not. That is from Home Goods, and I just got a bow from Claire's and I clipped it on to just give it more personality. And here's the newest addition. I'm so excited that I finally got a chandelier. So this is from Home Depot. It was only $100, which is very good for a chandelier. And I'll go ahead and turn it on so you guys can see what it looks like. So that is her lit up. She is just thriving, as you can see. I'm obsessed with it. It's just perfect. And it just makes the bedroom look way more magical, so super cute. Alright, moving on to the section, we have a bow hanging up at the top right there. Then we have this very cute pastel vintage cake, like little poster thing. And then I found this the other day thrifting. It's a little candlestick, and I thought I'd just tied in everything together. And then this is a little vintage hat that you clip on, actually. Has a little clip in there. And that I got from Amazon. I'll link it down below if you guys want to get it. They have so many different colors, and I think it was only $8. So not bad at all. And then The blue shelf was actually not blue. It was painted like a different pink, but I wanted it blue because I felt like I had a lot of pink going on. And I got this thrifting, as like you guys are gonna notice a lot of my stuff is already thrifted, so it's very hard to find. Down below here I just have my little case of records. And this I actually purchased at Joann's, so that was cool when they had their little Paris collection. So I'll just show you some of the cool records we got. Honestly, sometimes I will just buy it because the aesthetic is so pretty. And then I'll go ahead and listen. Oh my gosh, this one I forgot I had. This took forever to find. Walt Disney's Magic Kingdom. These things are pricey, but I found it for $1, so what a steal. And then we got a little vintage Christmas one. I'm excited. And if you guys want, I will do like an elaborate vinyl record tour, so just comment down below if you guys want to see that. So here I just have like a little Ralph Lauren dress just hanging. I thought it just tied in for decor. And then a vintage hanger. And then inside of here, we have a lot of sweaters. And we have an old comforter. We have some lotions. Just a lot of random stuff that we don't need to see. And then I'm gonna go ahead and show you what's at the top because it's kind of hard to show you from this angle. Okay, so up here we have some cool knickknacks. We got that opera sign at Goodwill, $4.99. Super cool. I saw it and I was like, I need to have it. And then a little like hat box, but I think it was for like a wedding because it definitely has like that wedding vibe going on. So that was from a thrift store. And then this little tin, it says cherish your time with friends, which was also in the last room tour. Right, so this is the whole vanity, as a lot of you guys are familiar with, because I basically post it every time I get a chance. It's so stinking cool. It does in fact turn on. My dad installed the entire thing. Believe it or not, he installed the entire thing. So we bought the actual dresser from Craigslist. I think we bought it for $250, I want to say, which is so good. This thing is so long, and it came with like the mirror. My dad went ahead and went to Home Depot and he bought like these little strips of the lights that you would normally buy for a bathroom. So yeah, and then he had to install everything, which is just like crazy that he even did that. So huge thank you. And here I have most of my makeup, so it might be it is a little messy. So we got some makeup, and then the last drawer I have all my socks, so that's fun. So in here I have like my shorts and skirts, a watch, and then necklace. And this is a vintage clutch that I think I've showed you guys before. Here we have my more dressy skirts. This one's my newest one. It's my favorite. It's from Zara. So cute. Ooh. Here I just have all my maxi skirts. So I kind of like, this whole section is just like all bottoms. So kind of organized. On this side, we have my tops. Then down here we just got some long sleeve blouses, which are not going to be used for a while until winter rolls around. So above my vanity I have this frame that I got at a garage sale actually. It's only $5 and I thought it was cute because it's like the display of what the table of my vanity looks like. Moving on to the vanity, we have a cool like floral bouquet that I also thrifted, so that just sits there very nicely. We have this cool little mirror that I showed you guys in the last haul, I think. And this is also from a vintage store. I'm sorry that a lot of these things are from vintage stores. It's just because that's where I normally find unique pieces, so yeah. This is a little clutch, a vintage little clutch, and then we have another record. I like to use them as decor, as you're going to see a little bit. So this is the one I actually showed last haul. And here I have my little tray, and this is so cute. This is actually at HomeGoods right now. You guys can get it, and they have ones with the mirror reflection inside. So I just think you guys should get that. And then here I have a really cute little mug that I thrifted, and it has a little bow on it. I thought it was so adorable. And then I just kind of hold my makeup brushes in there, and then I have this like Marie Antoinette heel. And this is actually to store rings, but I don't have any right now in there. Juicy Couture perfume. And then this is just for decor. It's like inspired by the Victorian era. And it's just covered in beautiful lace, and it has the little angel cherubs on it. And then here, I just put this as decor. I literally bought this for decor even though it's tea. This, you can buy it at Trader Joe's right now. It's the Earl Grey. And it just has this very cute Victorian lady. She looks very fancy. And right here I have the little vintage mannequin decor that I got, and then my little dish where it has some jewelry pieces. And then this is so stinking cool. This is my favorite thing I've ever antiqued in my life, honestly. This is a phone from the 1940s, I believe she said. And it actually works. It has a modern cord, so if I want to connect it, it'll do that. Hi, I'm currently looking for a boyfriend. Oh, you're fresh out of those. Okay, so how long do I have to wait? Oh, they're not available anymore. Oh, they are, just not to me. Okay, gotcha. Alright, well thanks for nothing. Bye. And then up here, I obviously decorated with some vinyl covers because I thought it looked really cute. And then here I have this little corner table, and it has a bunch of random knickknacks. So this one is a Hershey's 1934 cookbook, and this is so stinking cool. Okay, and then I have a Zara perfume that's like vanilla scented, and then I have the little body powder that I bought from Emmeline's shop, and then the Shabby Chic teacup. And then I think this is like a little cake stand I found the other day, so I kind of just set everything on there. And then that teddy bear thing, I just kind of hold jewelry in it. This little vintage floral, I don't even know what it is, honestly. And then we have like vintage perfume, just as decor. I would never use it, like I said before. And then a little pastel carousel. Alright, so we're in a weird angle, but this is the area where all the magic happens for YouTube. My laptop goes here, work gets done, we edit hard, all the good stuff. But yeah. So this is really cool. I'm gonna go ahead and show you more in detail. Okay, so there we have the little mirror that I thrifted, and then these little bows that I got off eBay. So I just kind of put them on the side. A little Victorian tasseled box. I thought it was so cute. I have this like Peter Rabbit pancake and waffle mix. It's all empty. I honestly just emptied it and put it in a Ziploc bag because it was all pastel and I thought it was perfect for the bedroom. And then I actually hot glued lace to it to give it more personality. And then I have this vintage ice cream little sign, and it says tasty fountain drinks. And then a vintage little candle holder. It's like aqua blue, so pretty. This is also from Williams-Sonoma, and I just never ate it because it was so pretty. And then I have a pink little chocolate box. And then this mirror I also got from a thrift store. It's really pretty. It has a bunch of flowers and little pearls on it. Okay, I am sweating, man. Whew. Alright, and then here I have some cotton stems in this little blue pin thing. And I have my vintage gloves just on top of my Marshall speakers. Okay, and then this plate I actually just got yesterday. And it's just this little cute girl, and her bedroom is like what I want my bedroom to look like. I'm on the hunt for this, look. That Victorian lamp, I want to find one. But yeah, I thought it was so pretty and super light pastels. So that's just sitting there. I think I can hang that up. Yeah, I can hang it up. I just haven't had the chance. Yeah, okay. And then the whole dresser I actually got at off Craigslist, sorry. And I went ahead and painted the little handles like blue just so it would add a pop of color. And the chair was also from Craigslist. Super good. I would totally recommend to get furniture off Craigslist always because you can find really good deals. I have all my furniture from Craigslist. And then down here, I have my little record player. I repainted this actually blue, so it's so cute. I have another vintage plate that I don't know what I'm gonna do with, but I felt like I needed it in my life. I hate to break it to you guys, but we've reached the end of this room tour. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this room tour. I know it took me a while, but I finally got it today. And as always, I hope you guys have a lovely rest of your day, night, whenever you're watching this. See you all in the very next video. Bye guys!